KW McKinney, this is Michael Tritthart, and I am going to be back in the house on Monday, June 25th. We're going to be doing one-on-one sessions from 9 to 11. That's an opportunity for you to sit down with me in a private one-on-one session to discuss any of your tech, lead generation, social media marketing, online marketing, offline marketing, web design, anything that you need help with from a tech point of view and from a marketing point of view. We're going to be doing that from 9 to 11. And then again from 3 to 4. 30-minute long sessions, sign up at the front desk. Then starting at noon and going till 3 o'clock, we're going to be doing a 3-hour Trek CE certified course. So you're going to get credit if you're there on time and you stay the full length of the class. And the topic is going to be Discover Your Facebook Gold Mine. This is a hands-on environment, so bring your laptops, bring your phones. I'm going to show you how you can interact with potential clients on Facebook and generate tons and tons of business. And we're going to be able to do that right there in the class. So I will see you guys on Monday, June 25th for a powerful day for your business.